Hey guys, Bill here from Level 10. Hope you're doing well. Last week we showed you a very quick tip on how to use undo send within Google Workspace and Gmail. Well, today I want to show you another tip, one of my favorite features again within Google Workspace, which is templates. Now, templates basically enables you to insert pieces of text or perhaps a whole email into a new Gmail message, so you don't have to keep typing them out. So I'll show you very quickly how to enable this. So we head up to settings and then see all settings. Along the top bar here, we go to advanced, and the second option here is templates, and hit enable and hit save. Perfect. Now templates is enabled for our account. If we're going to hit compose, and we'll see Jane's new message appear here. Now, because we are creating a template, we're going to take out the email signature. Otherwise, the signature will be part of the template. And every time you go to add the template in, unfortunately, you'll duplicate the signature. So we'll take that out. An example of this might be where you need to share some information with your clients regularly. So, for example, we could put, sure, our VAT number is GB, and then we could put the number in here. This piece of information is something I want to put into lots of different emails. I don't want to have to keep typing it out. Super simple. We head down to the three dots here, templates, and then save draft as template. From here, save as new template, and then we can pop in what we want to call the template. So I'm going to call this VAT number. Hit save, and that is now saved in our templates. I can just delete this mail. So if I then go to compose and I'm writing a new email or I'm replying to an email, again, we just hit on the three dots, templates, and we can see my template messages here. Hit VAT number, and that message pops up straight away. So you can see how this might be useful for repeating content, such as contact information. We've got in our signature here, but booking a meeting, for example, we might want to send people to our website or to specific pages, and to save typing those bits of information out again, we can just put them in as templates. So again, a really, really quick video there. If you want to see a little bit more, just drop us a message and we'll be happy to spend some time showing you some tips and tricks on Google Workspace. But for now, hopefully that's helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.